Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best survival stove that you can buy today. Having a source of heat for cooking can make a significant difference in how well you get through. Not only that, a survival stove can help you stay cleaner and can even be used to sanitize water when there is no filter. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing survival stoves. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best survival stove, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the überleben Stoker Flatpack Stove. I'm sure you'll love this camping stove simply because it is awesome. This is a great stove for backpacking, and it is also very easy to put twigs and small branches inside it. It's really high quality, effective, and works well. The volume of positive customer feedback that this item has is impressive. This stove really gets the job done. It's lightweight and compact. It can also be put on top of different kinds of terrain and is very stable too. Weighing a measly 14.5 ounce, this stove is a joy for anyone who struggles to fit all of their gear in their backpack. But the good news doesn't stop there. It's also foldable. That means that within minutes, you can pack this 5-panel device into a package that's 6 inches by 6 inches and only 1/4 of an inch thick. Now, that's smart packing. The fact that you can easily put it together and pull it apart means cleaning is a lot easier than with other stoves. The pros are, it's lightweight. It's compact, so it'll fit almost anywhere. It comes with a canvas sleeve for easy storage. And cleaning is a breeze. However, it will need extra cooling time before packing it back up. And the edges are really sharp, so be careful not to cut yourself when putting it together. This is a great lightweight, affordable emergency stove. You can keep it in your bug-out bag so you'll always be prepared, and it won't take up much space. In at number 4 is the Gas ONE GS-3400P. This one is the best single propane burner camp stove manufacturer, and the GS-3400P is a stove that is pleasing to the eye right out of the box. The gold finish makes it a sleek-looking stove. This unit is best suited for tailgating, outdoor cooking, or just always having around in case of emergency. With a dimension of 13.4 by 11.2 by 4.4 inches, it's small and portable. It uses butane cartridges or propane cylinders for fuel, so you will need to ensure you have this in your emergency kit too. It's really easy to use and has necessary safety features installed. It comes with an auto ignition system, thus you'll need to use a match or lighter. It has an adjustable heat regulator, allowing you to control the heating power. For safety, it has an auto ejection system that will stop the stove if any irregular pressure runs through it. The automatic shutoff system gives you the utmost safety. The pros are, it's portable with its own carry case. It's safe. It has adjustable heat settings. It's dual fuel. And it's easy to use. However, the regulator could have been better, and it can leak. This is a great portable, dual fuel camping stove that will be reliable in case of emergency. The third product on our list is the Firebox Bushcraft Campstove Kit. It's foldable for easy storage and transport, plus it's adjustable to accommodate different meals. With multiple fuel options, various cooking arrangements, and several accessories, it provides plenty of opportunity for simply and safely prepping warm meals almost anywhere. This Firebox stove folds down, and you don't have to go through a complex reconstruction. Everything remains hinged together so that you can have it up and cooking in minutes. One of the biggest draws for this stove is its multi-fuel capability. You can use wood, gas burners, alcohol burners, gel fuels, sterno cans, or fuel tabs. Plus, those who prefer wood can burn it 3 different ways. Thanks to a hinged damper, this camping stove has additional exhaust capacity so that the flames focus on your cooking vessels. The unique design features allow this folding stove to cook faster than the alternatives. It can also double as a portable campfire. The pros are, it's foldable featuring hinged components for easy setup and takedown. The stove is lightweight yet sturdy and durable. There are multiple accessories available for versatile cooking options, and you can use almost any fuel you want. However, it does cook food unevenly, so make sure to keep an eye on it. It's sturdy and durable to withstand several backcountry trips, and it's lightweight enough to carry in your pack, which makes it perfect for emergencies. You can get multiple accessories that make it possible to cook a stew, grill burgers, or make coffee. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the BioLite Campstove 2. Our first experience using the Campstove 2 was a dream. It was way easier to use than we expected, and it was pretty smokeless. Not totally, but not far off. We were blown away at how well this innovative little stove hummed with efficiency on its first use. It's really easy to set up. Simply place the power pack heat rod through the hole into the main chamber. Fold out the legs and you're good to go. The fan has 4 settings which are easily adjusted. However, once the fan is on and there is heat in the stove, you can't turn the fan off. It continues until all the fuel has burned out. The stability of the stove is a big positive. The heavy battery and wide base means that even tall pots that are full of water feel very secure. That said, wider base pots are better due to design and size of the pot stand. It's surprisingly packable for what it offers. It certainly can't compete with other lightweight wood-burning stoves out there. However, it offers much more than just a stove, and if having a power source is an essential feature, then it's probably worth the extra weight and size. It offers power, light, heat, ambience, and cooking facilities. The pros are, it can generate power without wind or solar. The integrated battery allows for utilizing generated power at a later time. You can charge it up, and it can act as a campfire too. However, it doesn't work well with damp wood, and it's slow at boiling water. We like the idea of being able to use found fuel and not having to haul gas canisters around. Providing power and a cooking source makes the BioLite Campstove a truly multi-purpose addition to any camping, hiking, or survival gear pack. The best survival stove is the Solo Stove Bonfire Fire Pit. This is Solo Stove's largest camp stove and is designed to cook for 4 or more people at one time. It's extremely portable as it only weighs 2.2 pounds. What's more, this 304 stainless steel camping stove is only 7 inches tall by 9.25 inches wide. It's fueled by sticks and twigs. If you're okay with burning wood to keep your fire going, this is a solid pick for you. The Campfire is Solo Stove's largest camping stove option. Although it's the largest option they sell, it's still fairly light and compact and is extremely portable. The reason why this stove is good for survival is that it can act, as you can probably guess, a campfire. Up to 4 people can get warm by this stove, and you will also be able to cook them a good meal. The Campfire's low smoke design will keep your cooking experience smokeless and your clothes free of the musty and sticky campfire smell. The pros are, it's lightweight and portable. It can cook for up to 4 people. It can also keep you warm, and it has low smoke. However, it only burns small pieces of wood or twigs. We love the Solo Stove Bonfire Fire Pit and how it lets us have a fire anywhere. This is a truly great survival stove. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.